Hello, I'm going to show you how to create a simple Svelte map app with a title and a marker for my favourite cafe. We've created a GitHub repository called Get Started with Svelte and MapLibre GLJS. It contains a basic Svelte map with zoom controls. So the easiest way to get started is to clone it. You'll find a link in the description below. You can find all the commands that I'm using in a step-by-step guide. There's a link for this in the description as well. Let's get started. Download the repository, go to the project folder called My Svelte Map, and install all the dependencies. These are all the libraries you'll need to build the map. In the source folder, find the app.svelte file. Here, replace the MapTiler API key placeholder text with your own key. To get your key, go to MapTiler.com and click on the My Cloud button to sign up. Signing up is free and allows you to try out all of MapTiler's APIs and data. Your key can be found in the Account API Key section. Copy and paste it into the app.svelte file, then save it. Next, run npm by typing npm run dev. You can find your app on localhost 8080. Now let's add the marker. In the script part of the app.svelte file, add import marker from MapLibre GL. Now you can define your marker in the onMount handler, below where the map controls have already been defined. Here you can specify the marker's colour, define the latitude and longitude of the marker, and finally add the marker to the map. Our map also needs a title, so here's how to create one. First, we need a new components folder in the source folder and a new file in this folder called title.svelte. This file should contain a div element with the class heading and a style element. You need to add an h1 heading in the div element as well. Define the style of your heading class in the style section. Align the text to center, set background color to Svelte orange and the text color to white. Don't forget to declare that the heading class comes above the h1 with margins of 0 and 20 pixels padding. Now you need to connect your newly created title with your Svelte app. Go to the app.svelte file and use the import title from title.svelte command to make the connection. Next, add the title tag to the main section above the map tag. You should now be able to see the title in your app. However, notice that the attribution is no longer visible. That's because the title has occupied the top of the map and pushed the attribution off the bottom. Check how big the title is and adjust the size of the map. It's 78 pixels. The height in the style section of the app.svelte file should be 100vh-78 pixels. And that's it! You've created a svelte.js map. If you found this tutorial useful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Bye for now.